What is going on, guys? And today we're going to be replacing the elbow rest. Unfortunately, I have to skip the explanation on how awesome the M3 style glove box cover, because it came from right-hand drive BMW. Anyway, we're still going to replace the piece for the educational purpose. For that job, we're only going to need 3 tools, which is the plastic pry bar. Sometimes you can get away with just your hands or fingers, pliers, and a little pin tool, in some cases the screwdriver. We're simply gonna need to remove the one piece, which is that piece of plastic. This stage, you wanted to use the pin tool, or better if like the flathead, kind of shifted inside, and on the side right here there are a little pin I'm gonna show you in a second. And as you can see, there's 2 pins right here and 2 pins right there. So from this perspective, you can see a couple pins. We also have like those metal pins right here, the rods. We're gonna need to pull them out. So what we're doing here is basically pressing into the pin from inside and hammering the piece of plastic right here. Devastating, but we did manage to pull the pin. Try to do the same thing, push it out. So I'm gonna pry against it and push the pin from other side, and as you can see, it's going little by little. It's working. So now we can simply pull the piece out, push the pin completely, 1 and 2, and with that move, just leave the top. So right now I need to fish the spring back where it belongs to, and that's where it's supposed to sit. It basically has to lock into those 2 pins right here, which is really easy to do. After you open the top, you can fish the pin tool and kind of push the spring back where it's supposed to be. It's gonna snap back and it's going to be working as it should, as far as the top portion from the car you need it to. Anyway, I'm gonna swap the original piece back, and hope you guys did like the video. At least you know how to replace the middle piece and how to remove it, and after all, how to repair it. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna be keeping that piece for future projects. I don't know when we're gonna use it. Anyway, I'll see you next one.